Hey guys, I have great news. I will be at the AERO in Friedrichshafen next week with my LS3, so come along, have a look at my glider. Really happy to talk with you about all my adventures. Any tips for the LS3 are welcome and so on. So I hope to meet you at the AERO in Friedrichshafen next week. Richtig geil, ja. And as you can see, I am flying here at the Bavarian Junior Trainings Camp. Today I'm flying with Lutz and with Henrik. Both are flying LS4. Yeah, it was really tricky at the beginning, and now we have great streets ahead back home. So we are so happy that we are in the air and that we did it, but we were not flying by our task for today because there are a lot of rain showers, so it was not really possible to fly this direction, and we didn't want to make an outlanding because yesterday we already had 2 outlandings and it was really yeah, wet on the ground, so a lot of mud and not so good. Eichstätt, die Sierra Fox im Gegenanflugpiste 29. Ja. You're done and blocked. Flaps for landing. Everything secure.